idea what's going on behind me, but it's not good. We are about to see the nether region of a giant dinosaur. We have our vouchers. We can play carnival games. Well, hello everyone. Today I find myself in Animal Kingdom. And Animal Kingdom has two very cool things: Pandora and carnival games. So what I'm going to try and do today is ride Pandora, and hopefully the line won't be like 2 hours long, and then go play carnival games. And cue the music. Wait, that's enough music. That'll get me copyright. On my way to Pandora, what do you think the wait time is gonna be? I'm hoping anything less than an hour. Please be less than an hour. As we're walking here to see Pandora, what's your guess? What do you think the wait time is gonna be? The valley of a word I have no idea how to pronounce, because it's confession time. I've never actually seen the movie Pandora. I feel like when I do a whole bunch of Star Wars stuff and no one's ever seen the movies. We're still walking to Pandora, or the ride I should say. We're in the land. It's clear I do not know where I'm going. This is pretty amazing. We are about to find out what the wait time is. 150 minutes. Oh, that is more than 2 hours, people. Womp, womp, womp. Well, this officially just became a carnival games video. Let's go to the carnival games. Well, when it's not your day, it's not your day. All the carnival games are closed. They don't open until later. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna call an audible. I saw where Expedition Everest, which is a great roller coaster here, only has a 20-minute wait. Now I know what you're saying. Why didn't you pull up the app and check the wait for Pandora, and then you would have known? Where's the fun in that? The adventure today was to try and ride Pandora. That didn't work out. Then I wanted to play some carnival games. That didn't work. Oh, by the way, we are about to see the nether region of a giant dinosaur. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna ride some rides until the carnival games open up. So why don't you guys join me as I go on Expedition Everest and try not to get killed by a Yeti. There we are. That's where we're headed. Expedition Everest. So the wait time for Everest is 40 minutes. However, there is a single rider line. And since I am here by myself, I am a single rider. So let's see if this will speed up my expedition, hopefully. All right, Elise, Bailey, you're not here, but you're gonna be here now. That was actually a very, very short wait. I didn't have time to prepare. That's to the left. That's to the right. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's no track. I have no idea what's going on behind me, but it's not good. It's not good. Ah! Ah! I can't see. goodness. I'm rethinking life's choices. Here we go. So the single rider line was less than 5 minutes on a 40-minute wait. I didn't get time to prepare. I'm not sure how much of that footage is gonna be usable. I'm gonna have to edit out a lot of, you know, my crying and screaming, but we'll make it work. It was also very, very dark. So we'll see how that goes. Oh, yes. The carnival games are open. We're gonna play some carnival games. We have our vouchers. We can play carnival games. So the basketball game looks a little lonely. Let's go see if we can win something for the girls. I would like to try.
You get one medium small, two the medium, or three the medium.
Can I do this? Can I win something for Elise and Bailey? The pressure is on. Oh, almost got it over there. Yeah! So guaranteed one prize, right? So I can go again? Yeah, I got two! Yes! I have two kids. So I can get two little guys or one medium guy. Can you trade up at any time? Unfortunately not. So see, I have to make the dad decision right now. Do I think I can win again? You know what? We're gonna take a medium prize and I'm gonna play again, and I'm just gonna risk it that I'm gonna be able to get two. So let's see if we can do this. That's our lucky net. We're gonna stick with our lucky net. So we're gonna play again because I love my kids equally. So I'm gonna get a medium prize for both of them. Oh, just like the first one. That is not good, people. That is not good. Woo!
I'm gonna give you one more for the one that bounced out.
Oh, thank you so much. Yay! I love my kids equally. Thank you so much, Brittany. All right. Bailey is getting a pink turtle, and Elise is gonna get an orange turtle, and we are not gonna have a UFC fight when Dad gets home. Awesome. Well, that was a ton of fun, but now I'm gonna go try Comet Crasher. Let's try Comet Crasher, shall we? Yellow stands for extra large prize, but we gotta win something for the kids. Oh, no! Red! We got a red! Thank goodness. We got to get one more so we can have a prize for each kid. So Dad can go back to Hero Dad. All right, here we go. Oh, so close. Oh.
Would they like a pink or green pterodactyl?
Pink or green pterodactyl? I think we're gonna go with green.
Alright.
And you know what? We're gonna play one more time.
No problem. Alright,
There we go. That is our medium prize. We have a green pterodactyl. All right, here we go. Our last 4 throws. Last 4 throws. Did that almost hit the yellow. What is an extra large? Oh my goodness, I almost could have gotten a snake. I keep doing that. Oh my goodness. All right, we're going for the yellow. Nada. Oh, nice. All right, so we get 2 that dropped out. Here we go. Oh, oh. Oh, okay. Well, we tried. We did get 1 win, and we got some wins on the basketball game, so the kids will definitely have some prizes. I didn't play any of the competition games because I would have to go against kids and families, and I'm by myself. I just didn't want to do that. So I'm going to put an end to this video. It was pretty crazy, though. I mean, we got a chance to at least look at Pandora. We got to ride Everest, and we got some carnival game wins. Well, hello there, Launchpad. So I am actually headed to Epcot right now to meet some friends of mine. So thanks for watching, and hopefully there'll be another video in Epcot.